Welcome back to Modern Era Code. Today, we're setting up a fully loaded TypeScript and React project with Next.js. Let's get started. So React is awesome, TypeScript is powerful, but combining the two can feel complicated. With Next.js and TypeScript, we can skip the complexities of configs and boilerplate and jump right into building typed, scalable React code, ready for front-end and back-end magic. Let's get this project off the ground and lay the foundation for our full stack finale. Quick moment of honesty here. There are many ways to set up a React and TypeScript project. You've got Vite, Parcel, Svelte, Astro, Create React App, Gatsby, and many others. But for our goals, scalability, routing, server-side rendering, and API routes, Next.js is the full package. With built-in routing, you don't have to worry about the complexities of setting up React Router. With the ability to host your API routes in the same project, it makes it super easy to get started. Not to mention, you get first-class TypeScript support right out of the box. When we add in server-side rendering, we have great support for performance and SEO. And to top it all off, we've got easy deployments with things like Vercel. Basically, if you want to build a serious full-stack app, Next.js helps you get started fast without burning out on any of the configuration. If you've been following this series, you actually already have Node.js installed, but if not, that's okay. I walk you through how to install it in a previous video. I'll link it in the description below. Either way, once you have Node installed, we can get started with one command. Go ahead and open up your terminal and we can type in this command here, npx create next app. We're naming it my TS app and we're saying to use TypeScript. This is going to do a few beautiful things for us. Namely, it's going to run us through a configuration wizard. To keep things simple, I'm just going to keep all the defaults here. So yes, we want to use ESLint, yes, Tailwind, no source directory, yes, app router, yes, TurboPack, and no for customizing the import aliases. So what this will do is set up a new Next.js project that we're naming my TS app, and it's using the app router. It adds things like TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind, and TurboPack. And it initializes a sensible folder structure. Once we have it installed, we can change directories into the app we just created, and we can run it with npm run dev. And just like that, you've got a Next.js with TypeScript app running locally. It's kind of like instant ramen, but for devs. Now let's take a look at what we just got for free. If we open up our folder explorer here, we have an app directory with a page file. This is the home page for the entire application. We have our node modules in here, which is all the dependencies for our project already installed. We have a pre-configured ESLint setup. We even have a pre-configured TypeScript configuration file in here. This one is very similar to the one that we set up in a previous video. I'll link it down in the description below. And we even have our global CSS file where we can set CSS variables, and a configuration file for our Tailwind CSS. This one is completely optional. We can use it or not. You can delete some of the boilerplate things in here, like the SVGs and the icons, but for now, we'll leave them. Pro tip, add a components folder as a sibling to the app directory to put things in there like your header, common buttons, and stuff like that. You'll thank yourself later. For now, let's toss in a quick component to feel that sweet, sweet TypeScript assistance. If we add the file here, button.tsx, we'll start by adding our type. This is just saying we expect our button to take a label and an on-click value. Then we can actually add the button component. And just like that, TypeScript is already making sure our component has the stuff it needs. No mystery props, no silent bugs. We can actually take this button and put it into our main homepage. For now, we can delete everything in here and put our button in just like this. We're making sure to pass it a label and an onClick method just so TypeScript is happy. If I were to take one of these out, you can see right away TypeScript gives us an error saying that it is missing a property. We can even take this a step further and we can add typed state hooks into our component. First, we need to import useState. And here we're saying that our state should be of type number. So no more guessing what kind of data your state is working with. All right, we just built a modern TypeScript in React project with Next.js. No configuration headaches, just clean, scalable code. We used Next to scaffold a modern TypeScript in React app. We explored the folder structure. We built our first typed component, and we even explored typing state to keep things unambiguous. You're now officially ready to build something amazing with full and complete type safety. In the next video, we'll begin building this app out together, and we'll start by diving into type-safe API routes. I really hope this video helped you when it comes to setting up a Next.js project with React and TypeScript. Make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. It really does mean the world to me, and it helps this channel to reach more people that could use this type of content. Let's keep mastering TypeScript together, and I'll see you in the next video.